What up, y'all? Today is the day. As y'all can see, got a few of these joints out today. They laying around. Yeah, they around. Yeah, they around today, my boy. Yeah, but today I'm about to introduce y'all to the newest member of Flying J. The unboxing of the real deal. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Let me get some of this stuff out the way. There's just a little personal information, y'all. We can put that to the side. Okay. There's a few receipts. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Maxim Defense, baby. So use a coupon code, thanks for save 10%. Okay, I'm gonna hit y'all up. I need 10% on something. Oh yeah. Here we go. This firearm is changing. Accidentally chamber. It's your 7.6239. Yeah. My bad, y'all. Don't disrespect the Glock like that. Just throw that on the floor. Don't disrespect the Glock. But oh man. Without further ado, let me put that on the floor. You know, we got we got a little lube. We got some little wipes, some Ballistol wipes. Them locks. Okay. Patent pen. See all this? Allen keys. Spin casing. Yeah, they sent the spin casing. Sent the lock. Y'all know. They sent the 20 round mag. But hey, y'all. I ain't cleaned it yet. I ain't fucked with it yet. But here you go. I'm putting this bad boy out the box because I might get rid of this. I might get rid of this box, man. Oh, man. Put it on the ground, so. Okay. Oh, man. Y'all see that color? Y'all see that color? Oops. Oh, my bad, y'all. Y'all see that color? Man, I don't know, man, but this Maxim look cold, bro. This Maxim look cold, bro. It's like, oh shit, man. I ain't got enough room. I ain't dropping my Maxim. I mean, the Springfield cool. I was in love with the Springfield, but then I seen this joint. Man, they put this motherfucker together. Look at it, y'all. First unboxing, man. You know, got the radiant slide. I mean, you know. Got okay, should be Magpul. It is Magpul. But we got the Maxim brace on here. The same as all the other ones. I got the Maxim. You know what? I got the Maxim brace on this one. And matter of fact, I only got. Oh, I do got the Maxim brace. I got the Maxim brace on the blackout too. Yeah, that blackout nasty, dog. Y'all know how we come with that blackout. Oh man. But today, man, who the hell just calling me, bro? Call y'all back, bro. Taking care of some business. But the Maxim, we got damn, okay, yeah, what we talking about? My phone started ringing. So we got the Maxim brace on now. We got the Maxim brace on the St. Victor. We just we ain't got the Maxim brace on that, but we got the Maxim brace on that 300 blackout. But man, the way they put this bad boy together, man, I like the 4N on it, man. This is nice, bro. This is a nice one, Joe. I like this one. Out of all of them, I like this one. This is gonna be my go-to. You know, this is gonna be this is gonna be my go-to, dog. You know, the 7.62 is kind of being, you know, a little bit expensive. You know, I still like my 5.56. I took it to the range. It's loud. It's 308. Ain't no joke. You know what I'm talking about? But this joint is gonna be. I'm just gonna like shooting it. I gotta clean it. I'm gonna clean this. I'm gonna clean the shadow. And I just came to play a little bit today, y'all. You know, had a little time on my hand today. I'm gonna break this 20 rounder down. You know, you still my baby. Don't ever get it twisted. You still my baby. And you know who you are. You something special. And you very special because it costs you goddamn much. But this was the most expensive one, though. This joint was more than all of them. You know what I'm talking about? It's ridiculous, but it looked better, man, in my opinion. I mean, everybody going out there in braces, you know, for the PDW, but, you know, it's got this finish on it, man. This is a nice color. I don't know if it's purple, like silver or something like that, but I'm finna, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slap. I ran out of sights. I gotta change the battery in that. And I'm gonna slap this Burbs Fast 5.3 on this one. And we're gonna go to work. Until probably gonna give me another SIG. I like SIG optics. The Romeo 5s. I like them, as you can see. Got two of them joints, but yeah, I'm about to. I ain't gonna make this no long ass video. It's already 7 minutes. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna put this 20 round in now. But the E7.62s, I don't like these mags. That's the only thing I don't like about this gun is the mags. You know, I never had no AK. If I ever shot an AK, I don't even remember, but I never shot no. I shot a Draco. I wasn't impressed, but I like the AR platform better. So we're gonna clean it up, put it together. I'm gonna show y'all some videos of me shooting it. And like I say, I'm just out having a little fun today. I just did a little quick unboxing. But we got that 7.62 on deck. We got that 7.62 on deck. You know what I mean? And let me know, should I get rid of this box? Because I ain't really got that much room for it. Unless I just go put it in the basement or some shit. But I got some mags. I'm gonna buy some of these. I think I got like 3 of these. These are 28 rounders. Are they the Duramax? Yeah, the Duramax. The 20 rounder come with it. But the 28s I ordered from this guy online, man. I got them fast, man. They sent the real fast, so appreciate that. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing together, clean it up. I think I'm gonna run this joint today. I think. You know what I mean? But just comparing this, you know. Let me close this real quick. So the 300 is a little longer from grip to grip. I think it's the same size. No, it's still a little longer. Yeah, that 300 nasty though. You know, the Dame's always just gotta straight. Shit. I'm just scratching my shit out. Yeah, I'm about to put this bad boy together though, man. We ain't gonna do too much talking. God damn, man. We're gonna put this bad boy together and start doing all this goddamn talking. And I'm gonna shoot this video of me busting this point, and I'm gonna get up with y'all, man. Like and subscribe, man.